If you're considering TaxJar for your sales tax needs, there are a few things you need to know before making that final decision. TaxJar is a popular choice for many businesses, but how does it stack up compared to other sales tax software options? Let's dive in and find out. First, TaxJar offers automatic sales tax calculation, which sounds great, but it's important to note that it only integrates seamlessly with certain e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. So if you're using something else, you might face some challenges with compatibility. Competitors like Avalara have broader integration options. Next, TaxJar's reporting features are solid, but they may not be as comprehensive as some of the other top competitors. With its standard reports, you can generate tax filing reports for your state, but if you need deeper analytics or international tax data, you might feel a bit limited compared to tools like Vertex or Sovos. The third thing to consider is the pricing structure. TaxJar's pricing is competitive, starting with a basic plan that's good for smaller businesses, but as your business grows and you need more features, the price can quickly rise. Unlike some competitors that offer more tiered pricing options with clearer scaling, TaxJar's cost may feel steep if you need to add extra features like marketplace tax reporting or custom integrations. The fourth thing to note is TaxJar's ease of use. It has a user-friendly dashboard that's intuitive and quick to navigate, which is a big plus for beginners. However, some users report that getting things set up, especially for businesses with complex sales tax needs, can take a bit more time and effort. In comparison, software like Avalara is known for offering more robust onboarding support. The fifth thing to be aware of is that TaxJar's customer support is generally good, but it's not perfect. Many users praise its live chat, but others have reported slow response times, especially during peak times. Competitors like TaxCloud or Avalara offer more extensive support options, including dedicated account managers. Next, the automatic tax reporting feature is great for businesses that sell in multiple states, as TaxJar helps to file tax returns across the country. However, it doesn't offer international tax support, which may be a downside if your business is looking to expand globally. Other tools like Avalara provide better support for international sales tax. The seventh thing is its marketplace reporting. TaxJar is known for its great support with marketplace tax collection, which is important if you're selling on platforms like Amazon or eBay. But while it does an excellent job for these, some competitors have more in-depth features for handling multiple marketplaces. Next, TaxJar integrates well with most accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, making your accounting process easier. However, if you're looking for more advanced accounting integrations, you might find TaxJar's options lacking compared to other solutions that offer deeper integration capabilities. The ninth thing is scalability. TaxJar works great for small to mid-sized businesses, but it may not be the best fit for large enterprises with complex sales tax needs. In comparison, Avalara provides more enterprise-level features, which could make it a better long-term solution for businesses scaling up. The 10th point is TaxJar's focus on automating the filing process. While this is excellent for saving time, it may lack the level of customization that larger businesses might need for their specific reporting needs. Competitors like Vertex offer more tailored solutions for businesses with unique needs. Next, let's talk about TaxJar's refund features. TaxJar does allow you to request tax refunds, but the process is a bit more hands-on compared to some competitors. If tax refunds are a significant part of your business, you might want to consider solutions that offer more automated or guided refund processes. The 12th and final thing to consider is that TaxJar is a great option if you're looking for simplicity and ease of use for small to medium-sized businesses. But if you're looking for a solution that offers more flexibility, comprehensive support, and international features, it might not be the best fit for you. So, is TaxJar a good choice for your business? It's definitely a solid option for most small to medium-sized businesses, especially if you're focused on the US market and want an easy-to-use solution. However, if you're looking for a more robust solution with more comprehensive features and better international support, we recommend checking out our preferred solution, which you can try for free.